Uba sadon kebla ubari unomi khamat jongga seng HNLC syaka mit jongga jingi karnya suk bar ke sorkar India lemban ke sorkar Meghalaya habakaran sikilat pathai kubor hanne ke singi hanong ba shilong ulong ba ke jingi karnya suk apa dengan sorkar bar ke HNLC kan beteng biang lada ke sorkar ke kloiban mapno ya barok ki kampeman bala perngat persya i kinong ilam bat ki khot jongga seng watlah hagne kenti ke bomenta kate ke seng ke bala syak ken kum ke seng king atiar kala wengno na ke jingi karnya suk bar ke sorkar da ke bagane ke seng galapha dak jing tho syak sorkar da ke bakno bak sorkar kamsyam lashim khia ban penbet ke jing dawa jong seng ha baikran bat ki nong tho khobor hanong ba shlong uba sadon ke bla ulong ba ka HNLC ke kwa baikni ke kam yekarnya suk ka de bandon ka jing penbet da ke bor sencar kadar halor ka jing dawa jong kiti kinang ilam jong seng ka HNLC kelarai ban wengno ilade na ka jing yekarnya suk namar ka jing menti jong sorkar ban mapno ya baro ki kam peman bala pengat ye kinong ilam bat ki khot jong seng
Di mendala dangi ongba kalau le kerki ke channel si kata mu ko bagla nama apli kisna la ekran la pulsin nalo bala ekran officially ngaku mantul kutong la pasco la pulsin ban withdraw kita nama da kita ni kita intention banweng bandro ki cases banweng no cases mo ko amnesty in general ki bro tagawot kadai tang kabashkulo kam dadai ta nama apli kisna ma betul te mental banrai ta ita khiya kalau ada lajang news pas ni, bandrai kata dong kampung di kita, teban keno balong ke Chelsea kalau lekar kiru ke bakalai, henry kedik sorkar ba kansu pasal mana buat ba kedik political issue kalau kasanya Chelsea ba sorkar bergerin dia dan bergerak sorkar jelai itu ko kalau kami ya ka political solution om banyak di legal approach. Safe process ketika temporary arrangement baru itu juga peace process. Kami juga waiving ya baru di criminal charges kepada sorkar itu. Jika kadang di JFR ya safe process kami pakai ke amnesty. Safe process kalau mungkin yawan ya long yang ini ya kadang ya kana ya kata kormo. Kami juga permanent solution ya kata apprehension yang minum dalam Chelsea mereka dikanggap temporary arrangement bala banyak kadang cua. Biasa untuk si posisi kelayawan lah ya karena kita kapang ban ong banyak kerana dengan amnesty ban withdraw cases ban waive no criminal charges baru kam kaklop boy tahu dia long ki initially juga agency kita asas ini di sana kita lah fully authorized dengan body juga agency tapi tu insist ya kata ki jengwan kita bida long suka pitu lagi na kuat ini gitu lalu apa lah full authority hanga hukum untuk betul full authority bagi betul ni kami sekhmat mulai nak yang ibu sorkar ki sokria lah yang tak orang orang ini cases kalau orang ini cases jingwa kita bidal kamu tu juga dia dalam awal nama kita ke balawan sendiri kita ki si members sudah jom saya ki senior ki bala like usnam ki bala don saya Tegamu tu yakin lah full authority pergi buat kasih tiru kepada sorkar lu ada siapa kini ki bala designate ke Chelsea ke lawan jadi with full authority to carry forward the peace process. Tambah nak balik sorkar melakukan wang kita kisah tak sakut mana. Ini terjemah ini kan jimbomlah sorkar ban khot ke Chelsea jimbomlah sorkar ban wang not tadi criminal charges juga ya kasih Chelsea berapa orang jimbomlah sorkar ban tunggu ruang yang ni kan peace process nomor ba kasih Chelsea kawan haduk tengkok bantuan sorkar na bagi sukno bagi terus sorkar kata ceasefire bantuan sorkar bagi nyakran no political dima keba sorkar kalah insting kemudian kini kalah layak ni sorkar di Andre kamsi malah tu ini bukan saya dulu ni benyap naga itunya ni pendam juga sorkar bat ni kerpalu juga kuat sorkar ba kali bermain no yang kini ki charges borok kenang ba ki borok ki ulong kat kumka jikmu jong babun balang le kum jikmu jong sen Chelsea kaum balau withdraw na peace process kede kakramong balaweng ya untuk doktor jika ada kali pun yang tak kata ini kadai kadai kaplu yang sokar bakat suku bakat shobi banyak kan tentang lada sokar bakat kamu ya kan yang general demand ni ka perkhabai ke general demand kamu shobi banyak kan cakap dong kasong sokar entah kamu show ka agency the ball is with the government not with the agency
Ngomong yang tiga, di bilang
nggak yang penting
ngomong bilang
Kopi lai kadar sekali lai show Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India through Shri Ekim Mishra, body with the central government. Hanila Om Advisor, Ministry of Home Affairs, Northeast. Kapangni Om withdrawal from peace talk. We deeply regret to inform you that we reluctantly withdrawing from the peace talk with your government. Decision has been made due to the unfortunate circumstances that our general demand have not been met. Furthermore, we have concern that if these fundamental issues remain unaddressed, our political demand will also be dismissed. It is with a heavy heart that we witness the peace process reaching such a critical point. Nevertheless, we feel compelled to persist in our armed struggle. Executive Aikopiru shows Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Home Minister of Meghalaya, Seiba Piasakar, but Shanga Kumu Talukutor Jonga Secretary. Katakan konten yang kusti kepada agensi kalau withdraw, tak ada song kau penting. Kubur pertama agensi kalau ada kesalahan kalau yang withdraw, yes sebab in black and white, aja general amnesty, kerja kangkau pelibet. Kata apa ya kata orang akan lalu menyana, ketika perspektif. Terhadap government, kalau the ball is the agency code, kalau ya kes umwe tentang syak somon pun bang, tapi yang NIA somon bang syak somon. Tapi yang magisterial court semua sudah syak semua bagi nongelam banakmat cukup nunggu ada kebol sikit sih. Kasih willingness untuk sarkar, kasih political will untuk sarkar bahkan le berengkap.
Ya iba ke channel sih kalau demand ru ban weng itu ke ban under that.
Katu ke general demand no balabu nalu pas sedang kecing keren.
Ngomong ban penkun, bah hekini report berfikir keren during this informal and formal peace talk, nah. Iban kalau yang ke sarkar kebu itagi kriteria nih ya kayak channel sih begini kriteria pendak bangin weng yang di keban kadon nih ambil
haben nak juga dia kata kecing syak long syak declare kecing sih hasil legal organization aja katu kejuba bangi yakran perbadon tang misra kejuba kebasyai kalau ba ini adalah ya show peace process jakman kan saya pergi kita kerja kita, lo kata makaan bukan nonton yang pergi lo selo kamu lah don kan natural dead ya kan ada ke himbe kalau ada kim kentang mentah barangnya itu proses ya kentang hati itu itu kata bukan berweng ya kata jing syaban ni kayak Chelsea kata ketika general di mana lalu nungkong gitu ya kan tapi ya kata kampoi macam
itu kalau possible ya komen withdraw case pula caci nakut.
Jadi kumangong kani ada kami political solution. Kami punya ada legal solution. Nama ba ngaku miladi kumba ada yang sembalang ni langat cibun yes. Perbaiki ARP nyengat adu si spa live hope mengaku diri no yang saya. Ingat adu spa live hope. Kes bagaimana? Andai on dialog baru withdraw no lain asal tu likely modal case yang kami jawab ko. Kalau willing tu kalah. Nama sispa lagi itu damage itu lada withdraw lu tak. Belum reconsider laga decision berpulau bapa Chelsea kalau pulau jadi peace talk, peace process belum. Ke usawi dan sarkar. Umdai hak saya. Usawi dan sarkar nama apa? Nah, kalau keseng kita meeting kita labun kita milih syong han tu lah jalan Arsenal kita pun di meeting kita milih kita lah South League meeting ke insistence dia keseng dan kerjanya ban ketin dia keseng kalau ban withdraw case baru kena peace process kerja cekman. Dan kalau yang government pat kalau ban withdraw directly keep power yang kata kerjanya LP. Jika ban withdraw itu cases te halal kita ki kedai ki jawab dia ita ba ki nong yalam mana kmat ni Chelsea ki par wan yu pujan ba ki pan itu bat ki beliau sarkar ban yakran ya ban betul ni kam sana nah ini kedai kom pet no nomor ba lah nong ba Chelsea nalu ba form ki seng nalu ba dan isi nalu form ki dan ka kila ada lagi waring grup kita lihat sama persyaratan sarkar India lagi sarkar jela apa bukan di Jawa Turki Sementara ada sarkar kapit ia tadi, from a legal perspective. Ada sarkar, di bawah sarkar kapit ia tadi tanda kahan, bamlah orang withdraw cases, kena serai kapis proses kanunia, nak kena kata. Hari kita ni kebentar senjang kepada saya Chelsea Kalashim, nado balaseng, kadang menadras political issues, political demands. Kalau mau dalam kami ya political perspective, umday banyak ada legal perspective. Te nganong kacing film pisto ngahai ko ang sarkar, nama kaya ada legal perspective. Handai hakatma ko mo no banshu yakran hakatma ta kampoy ko shuru. Katma ai kacing ele kacing ya atun mo na dalam kami ya political solution, not a legal solution. Te lada ya ibang bari banyak bidaga kum kaanai jong hari India dan kum ka IPC CRPC dan kita anti terrorist laws kita dan government bangun di sini kerana so kalau kawan lagi sing artin orang bekat bikin uang ini yang mana bangun ya kerana so do orang lagi artin nama lada tangya di kata legal perspektif kibarung kibabun kikis kibarung kita bombelas kes tang kita kis bukan kita tengah semua sebab dari perkat nama apa nak kalian Home Ministry limba syariah ki omba none of the crime of the agency are heinous. Haba kan representative of Home Ministry none of the crime of the agency are heinous in nature. Kamut kalanti pun betul ada di kadang dia betul ni. Kadang dia betul. Nama apa kumut syuang ni por ni pun di license of sale tu ngatai lah kamu heinous ka. Kerana ini yang jiwa boleh agensi, ya kita adalah orang withdraw, tu boleh mana withdraw kita jadi kes. Berpengaruh kawai aku ni tu kan bahaya ni, bis proses untuk terus cakap.
You lagi former IPS officer mu, macam Thai kita. Wamba lada when kini cases percaya ke agensi, what justice do we give the victims of these cases?
Kata ni ko problem kalau mau vi kapoi dia haju ita dan mau vi kata ladang ni perkhat kata justice injustice kaba lajia shadu takamut kapoi shuru kapis proses more injustice will be created in future. Bila lagi expect more injustice dan expect you dang bun jingsha kidnap dang bun di jingsha ki kam teroris no ki kam teroris ke la ki expect bagi kita kan menjur ni haya kita jung jung IPS
menifai kini si asan no ber dalam kalau mereka sana kampan jupai satu bukut kan how do you see the fate kini ka ceasefire agreement ada kalau NSCNM ini pun ke NVC ada mentang apa dia dan tu soda bukut skut tu
hadu menta ke solution ke political solution ke bala wan tanda belitan baga MNF dan ikran ni kan siap pun ni sekolah koi belitan baga ke MNF tapi nang kata kalau kita long pending lo naga long pending UNDFB long pending te lain aku wi seng ki bala clear lama no ta ka per doi ki seng ki yang kan orang kum ka alpha kum ka NSCN bat ki gi de kamut maki te kamut lada muyo kan orang te ni perkut pun ada ceasefire. The purpose of this press conference is basically to give a briefing about the recent withdrawal of the HNLC from the peace process with the state government and the Indian government. If we go by this letter of withdrawal that the HNLC has forwarded to me, this letter is addressed to Shri A.K. Mishra, to the Ministry of Home Affairs through A.K. Mishra, Advisor, NHA Northeast, subject withdrawal from the peace talks. The date of this letter is 31st December 2023. We deeply regret to inform you that we are reluctantly withdrawing from the peace talk with your government. This decision has been made due to the unfortunate circumstances that our general demand have not been met. Furthermore, we are concerned that if these fundamental issues remain unaddressed, our political demand will also be dismissed. It is with a heavy heart that we witness that this peace process reaching such a critical point. Nevertheless, we feel compelled to persist in our armed struggle. The signatories to this letter are Bobby Marwin, Chairman Commandant-Chief, HNLC, Sankupa Nantrao, General Secretary, HNLC. Copy was sent to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Home Minister of Meghalaya, Bhatia Dekhava, interlocutor of the state government, and myself. So that is the content of this letter, and you can ask anything based on this letter.
But we have seen the state government, through its spokesperson, have appealed to the HNLC to reconsider its decision by not pulling out of the peace talks. What do you have to say?
How can the HNLC consider the peace talk? I mean the withdrawal from the peace talk, because the status is the government in the past 2 years that we have had a series of discussion with the government. The government is not trying to understand, is not understanding the need to withdraw the cases and to grant a general amnesty to the HNLC cadres and the leaders. So merely appealing to the HNLC to withdraw from, to reconsider the withdrawal from the peace process without the actual consideration of the demand of the HNLC also is not possible.
On the part of the government, they have stated that there was always, they felt that there was a barrier. They couldn't directly connect, or every time whenever a decision had to be made, HNLC had always stated that we get back to you, you have to go back and discuss. So do you agree that this was?
To say that the failure of peace talk is because of communication gap, I feel that also is wrong. Because every communication that we had in the meeting, every resolution taken, every decision taken in the meeting with the state government or with the Home Ministry is forwarded to the HNLC, and the HNLC even sent a letter of acknowledgement also to the government that we are happy that so-and-so decision was taken, so this and that resolution has been taken. The communication gap is not the issue. Well, when we say that withdrawal from the peace talk is because of communication gap, no, that is not true. Communication is okay. I was there all the time to communicate. Bapita was there all the time to communicate, and the HNLC leaders also are here, fully authorized to carry forward the peace process. So they have met them face to face. So how can there be communication gap? It's nothing like that. There's no such thing.
There are those who term the HNLC's decision a hasty one, because they are saying like why the HNLC does not wait for because the first the peace talks have held only once, formal peace talks. So why the HNLC took this hasty decision? Why not wait for the second and the third round of peace talks?
We have had around 4 to 5 discussions with the official from the Home Ministry, official from the ID, official from the state government. We have had a lot of discussion. It has been almost 2 years. I mean, coming this March will be 2 years. More than almost 2 years, so to say. In each and every meeting and in each and every communication that I used to converse with the authority concerned, we are stuck in the same issue. That is the amnesty and the withdrawal of the cases. Meanwhile, while we are, making a point to the government to withdraw the cases, and we see that a series of summon notice has been served to the HNLC leaders, be it from the NIA, be it from the Magisterial Court of Meghalaya. So that is the thing that creates the trust deficit. On the one hand, we are saying that we are having a peace talk. On the other hand, summon notice has been served to the HNLC leaders and cadres. So that is the trust deficit that was created. So if the cases are not dropped and if the general amnesty is not granted, it's over, I think.